The world wants you broke, scared, and always chasing the next paycheck. They want you to believe investing is too complicated or just for the wealthy. But that's the scroll mentality, a trap for men who settle for less and make excuses. The Centurion mindset is different. It's not about luck or timing, it's about building a fortress brick by brick, starting with what you have right now. Step 1. Stop waiting for enough. Most men tell themselves they'll start investing when they have more money. But the only way to get more is to start with less. The sooner you begin, even if it's $10 a week, the sooner you build real power. The Brotherhood knows this. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Every dollar you invest is a worker building your future. Let's break down the Centurion system, the 3 buckets. First is safety. Every man needs an emergency fund, no excuses. Start with a goal of $500. Hit it fast, then build to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your shield. Protection from job loss, car trouble, or sudden expenses. Never invest money you might need in an emergency. The second bucket is growth. Here's where the magic happens. Forget gambling on stocks or chasing fads. The real winners use long-term low-fee investments, index funds like S&P 500 funds from Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. ETFs, exchange-traded funds often with low minimums. Fractional shares own a piece of top companies for as little as $5. Your goal is to automate deposits into this bucket every paycheck. The more you invest early, the more time your money has to, multiply. The Brotherhood motto, set it, forget it, let it grow. Third is opportunity. Always keep a small fund for learning, side hustles, or rare opportunities, like a friend's new business or a discounted investment. Never bet your fortress on a single chance. Risk a little, but always with eyes open and your base protected. The next step is to automate everything. Automation is how average men become wealthy, without thinking about it. Every bank and investing app allows for automatic transfers. Pick a number you can live without, then increase it every 3 months. Never trust yourself to remember, make it automatic, and remove the option to fail. But investing isn't just about systems, it's about mindset. You will be tempted to follow the herd. Hot tips, viral stocks, get-rich-quick schemes, these are the scroll traps. Centurions don't gamble, they study, act, and wait. Never invest in anything you can't explain to a teenager. Write out the basics in your own words. If you can't, you're not ready. Mistakes will happen. Every Centurion keeps a wealth journal. Each month, review your wins, losses, and lessons learned. Celebrate the discipline, not just the dollar amount. If you lose money, analyze why. Was it emotion, impatience, or lack of research? Correct fast, but never quit. The Brotherhood grows stronger every cycle. Education is power. Watch free investing courses on YouTube, read books like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, and honestly, talk to men who are a step ahead of you. Never take advice from someone who hasn't built what you want. Surround yourself with the Brotherhood. Share your goals, your plans, and your results. Iron sharpens iron. Let's address common myths. I need a lot of money to start. False. Most apps let you begin with as little as $1 to $10. Investing is risky, doing nothing is riskier. Your money loses value every year from inflation. I'll do it later. Later never comes. The man who starts today owns tomorrow. Now your OLP challenge, open a free investment account this week. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, Robinhood, Acorns, just choose one. Fund your safety bucket, set a $500 emergency goal, and automate $10 to $25 a week. Automate your growth bucket. Pick an index fund or ETF and set up auto investments, even $10 per paycheck. Start a wealth journal. Track every deposit, every lesson, every mistake. Review monthly, adjust, repeat. Personal investing is not magic, it's mechanics plus discipline. The men who act now are the men who retire free. The ones who scroll, delay, and hope for luck will work forever. Journal it, share it, make your money work harder than you do. OLP 365, build your fortress, fight on.